Welcome to this great opportunity for a luxurious, custom-built home in the desirable Bridlemile neighborhood. Living here, you're close to nature trails and parks with easy access to shopping, restaurants, Multnomah Village, and downtown Portland. From the private backyard to the inviting front porch, no detail is overlooked. The open floor plan with Brazilian cherry hardwood floors offers elegant living spaces. The gourmet kitchen features granite countertops, a large island, custom-built cherry cabinets, and a pantry. The main level office could be repurposed as a fourth bedroom. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, including the spacious primary suite, complete with an upscale bathroom and high-quality finishes. Plus a huge walk-in closet with organizers. This home of nearly 3,000 square feet also includes an oversized bonus room. Outside, enjoy the hardscaped patio and beautifully landscaped yard in a peaceful, private setting. You'll also love the 3-car tandem garage and an abundance of storage space. An impeccably maintained custom home in a sought-after neighborhood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.